What's up, everybody? I am back with another YouTube video. It has been so long. It's been so long since I posted a video, and guys, I'm gonna leave that for another video if you guys want to know why I've been gone for so long. But anyways, I am back. I am better. I am blessed, and I am ready to start the new year with so much good stuff. I have so much stuff to accomplish this year. I have so many goals, and I'm going into the new year with locks, which is right up under here. Okay, so let's just hop right on into it. So before I take this off, I am 1 month locked. Yes, I'm 1 month locked, and y'all, it's going pretty good. It's going pretty good. Like, I'm just so happy that I've actually put these twists in myself, and I'm just happy to go on this lock journey. And all my new locks, my old locks, please comment down below on if you're new. Like, how's it going for you? Is it like, do you want to give up? Are you really into it? I'm so into it. I mean, like, my hair is short, so it's like nothing I can really do about it, but I cannot wait until my locks get full and, you know. But, yeah, anyways, yes, I'm 1 month locked. I wish I would have did this when I first started. I wanted to do that, but I don't know. I just say, you know what? I'm going to just go ahead into the new year and this will be my first video back on YouTube. So excited to be back on YouTube and everything. So I know you guys probably want to see what's going on up under here. Don't come for me. Don't come for me right now. It is looking wild. It looks dry. It looks unwashed. So yeah, let me go ahead and just get it on off. There it is. So this is it right here. See this? So there's two different things in my hair right now. I have a couple 2-strand twisted, and then the other ones that's majority of the twist, or I mean a majority of my locks, is finger coiled. I did it myself, and yeah, so I'm gonna get a little closer. Like, here's, I think this one, no, here. This one right here, this is 2-strand twisted compared to this one, which was finger coiled. Okay, so I started my locks. I started this. I gotta get my book. All right, so I got my book. I started my locks on a Monday of November 18th, 2019, and this is like my third attempt. My first attempt, it was, you know, I had 2-strand twisted, and I just was not like used to like the nappy look. Like, I'm natural, don't get me wrong, I am natural. I like my afros and puffs and all that type of stuff, but like, dude, after I washed it, I was like, oh no. I was like, no, and I think I had it in for like a week or two. So washed that mug out, combed it out, went on some months. I think I started that in July like 24th, 25th or something. And I said, no, I can't do it. Nope. Washed the mug out, combed it out, went back to my fros, went back to my styles and stuff. And then my hair was not dyed. It was actually black. So my second attempt, tried it. I think I went on about 2 weeks. Feel like I'm doing okay. I said, you know what? I miss seeing my natural hair. Couldn't do it. Combed that mug out. And now, your girl did it. Your girl did it again. I did it again, and this is a month. A month and, let me look. Hold on. I am 1 month and, today is the 3rd. So I am 1 month and, well, I'm 6 weeks. So 1 month and 2 weeks locked. So I'm so excited. I've been watching videos. Oh my gosh. I've been watching so many videos of people with their locks, people with like what they're going through. I'm trying to figure out how to keep my hair moisturized, and it's so hard because I feel like my hair, my scalp, just freaking sucks up so much. Like I can put the oil in there today, and by the end of the day, my scalp just sucked it all up. Like my hair do not stay moisturized for some reason. I don't know why. So if anybody can give me any type of like tips on how to keep my hair moisturized and, you know, not dry looking, please comment that down below, because I don't know. I don't know how to keep my hair moisturized. I try to spritz it with water like every day and then put like the oil in it and then like put some type of lotion on it, but my hair just keeps staying dry. So if anybody has that type of problem and figure something out, please let me know. What else? What made me want to become locked? Oh my god, my head is itching. Just a change, and I'm the type of person that like don't keep a hairstyle for a long period of time. So with me doing this Loc Journey, it feels amazing. Like to go into the new year with a new hairstyle and everything, it just feels so freaking amazing. Yeah, and let's see here. I feel like I should have not dyed my hair, because what happened was I dyed my hair when my hair was at its loose natural state, and then I decided to get locks. And I don't think that was a good idea, because maybe that's the reason why my hair is dry. I don't know. Maybe somebody can comment down below and let me know if that's the reason why. But that's not going to stop me from continuing the journey of my locks, because I really want to be successful. And I know you're not supposed to look at other people locks and be comparing it, and I do that a lot, but you know, it happens. Yeah. Oh, another thing is, how long did I go before washing my hair? Well, when I put these locks in, I know I needed to wash. So I think after a week of me, let me see, because I wrote all this stuff down so that I know when I wash my hair, how long it took and everything, and when I retwist it. So, yep, I waited a week. I had to wash my hair because my hair was itching my scalp was on fire with like the itching. So I had washed it and I retwisted it after a week of it being up. And I know that's probably not a good thing, but I had to do it. And I think a week later, I washed and retwisted again. Now, I researched and looked at other people's videos, and a lot of people was saying like, you know, they've waited like 2 months, 3 months to get their hair washed. I can't do that. I'm sorry. I can't do that. My hair is used to being washed every week. Now, this is the longest that I've went without washing. Wait, no, actually, yesterday, Thursday, was made 1 week since I washed my hair and retwisted it. So it's been a week now in this type of position. I'm trying my hardest to wait as long as possible, because I do not want to have thin locks. And I think I retwisted, let's see, this is the second time. I want to give y'all, that's the third time, oh my gosh. Third time, fourth time. I washed my hair 4 times already in 1 month. Now, let me know if that's like a bad thing. Like, when I wash, I retwist. So, I mean, my hair, y'all, when it gets wet, it thickens up so bad. And I mean, don't get me wrong, I kind of like that look a little bit, but at the same time, I want to look neat. You know what I mean? So, just let me know if that's not a good thing to do, to be washing every week and retwisting, but it's like, we don't have the same scalp. So, you can probably go 2-3 months without washing, or 2-3 weeks without washing. Me, I feel like I gotta wash every week, because That's the only way I can stop scratching my head so much, you know. But anyways, enough with the talking. Let's go ahead and give y'all a good close-up look at the locks. Turn to the side. This is how it looks on the side. And y'all, I'm gonna warn you, when you look at the back of my head, this is how long it is. When you look at the back of my head, there is a bleach spot. I did not know until I took a picture of my head, and it was a bleach spot back there, meaning that I did not color all the way. That's why you should go to professionals when you color and bleach your hair, because you might miss some spots. So yeah, this is the back of my head right here. Bam, bam, bam. This is how it looks right now with everything. That's how it looks. Probably looks dirty and everything right now, but you know, gotta do what I do. So yeah, so that's my log. This is my log journey. This is my first video back in 2020, and I look forward to uploading more videos, give you guys more content. And if you want to see other videos, please comment down below. Also, I have another video that I'm going to be making. It's going to be up pretty soon on what I'm bringing into the new year. So if you would like to find out what it is, stay tuned to my next video. Don't forget to like this video. Give this video a thumbs up, please. Thumbs up this video. Thumbs up to my log journey. And thumbs up to the new year. New year, new me, new you, new things. It's all coming in 2020, guys. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel so that you can be able to see my videos. And comment down below on the things that you possibly want to see. So, on that note, guys, I will catch you later on my next video. Bye!